The Xiaomi 16 Ultra is a flagship device that pushes the boundaries of smartphone technology in every category. It features a gorgeous 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display, offering ultra-smooth visuals, rich contrast, and vivid colors that elevate everything from gaming to video playback. Underneath its sleek exterior lies the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM, making it an unstoppable performer for multitasking, high-end gaming, and professional-level mobile workflows. Storage is taken to the extreme with a staggering 2 TB of internal memory, allowing users to store vast amounts of content without compromise. Powering it all is a massive 8,500 mAh battery, designed for long-lasting endurance even under heavy use, and topped off with 120W fast charging, so you're never tethered for long. But the true highlight of the Xiaomi 16 Ultra is its groundbreaking 400MP main camera, which redefines mobile photography with unmatched detail, clarity, and AI-powered enhancements, capable of producing DSLR-quality shots in virtually any lighting condition. With these unprecedented specs, the Xiaomi 16 Ultra isn't just a flagship, it's a technological statement. From its display to its processing power, camera, battery, and storage, this device is engineered for users who demand the absolute best without compromise.